as a child, you dream, you see that Brendan McCullum's knock, and you see Shah Rukh Khan waving from the stands, coming to the ground, cheering. So, like, obviously, you've seen your heroes, and so, like, I'm very excited to be part of KKR.
Rahul, hi. Welcome to the Kolkata Knight Riders. How are you?
Hi, Sanjana. Hi, thank you. At the start, it was difficult. I think that at the start, there was new routine, staying at home, getting away from cricket. So it was difficult, but slowly, like now, we started doing a lot of bodyweight exercises and a lot of meditation. So it's like a routine, sometimes cleaning home. So it's a new challenge and a new routine. So, like, enjoying my quarantine time. Yeah.
आपके अर्ली डेज की बात करते हैं. आप आर्मी बैकग्राउंड से हो. आपके पापा भी क्रिकेट में काफी दिलचस्पी रखते हैं. Was that a reason you picked up cricket? When did you realize कि आपको प्रोफेशनली ये करना है?
क्रिकेट छोटे बचपन एज से मैंने शुरू किया एंड लाइक हमेशा क्रिकेट वाज समथिंग कि आई वाज मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन आउटडोर गेम्स. मुझे लाइक ऐसे टॉयज वॉयज इतने पसंद नहीं आते थे, लेकिन लाइक क्रिकेट खेलना, बॉल बैट से खेलना, कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स खेलना, क्रिकेट वाज समथिंग व्हिच वाज स्पेशल फॉर मी. मुझे बहुत मजा आता था वो खेलने में एंड छोटे एज से मैं चाहता था, मैं टीवी पे भी मैचेस देखता था. सचिन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था, वो जब भी बैटिंग करते थे मैं टीवी के सामने बैठा रहता था. तो ये सो क्रिकेट हमेशा से बहुत पास में था. बेसिकली मेन मेरा जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ पुणे से. मैं पुणे से पहले श्रीनगर में था, तो श्रीनगर वाज आल्सो फन. वहाँ पे रहना बर्फ में, एंड देन in the army you stay in just a camp which is just two kilometers, and Srinagar was such an area where you could not move out. So all the activities inside that 2 kilometers, this was this BB camp, I remember. So तो वहीं पे सब कुछ करना. तो वहां से फिर जब मैं पुणे आया तो लाइक मैं पहले खेलता था लखनऊ में, थोड़ा टाइम खेला, लेकिन डैड की पोस्टिंग आ गई तो आई वेंट देयर. सो श्रीनगर से जब पुणे आया एंड देन पुणे में आई जॉइन द डेक्कन जिमखाना क्लब. सो लाइक मजा आया. तो वहां से ऐसा फर्स्ट था कि जब मुझे और प्रोफेशनली खेलने को मिला. नहीं तो तब तक ऐसे पापा के साथ खेल रहे, गली में खेल रहे, टाइम पास कर रहे, स्कूल का एक आधा मैच खेल लिए, लेकिन यहाँ पे आया तब से फिर प्रोफेशनली खेलना शुरू किया.
Having played domestically, having played in the IPL since 2017, what would you say are some of the goals that you've set for yourself as a cricketer?
I think 2017 was a great experience for me, and whenever you come to the IPL, there's always something to learn from it. And IPL's an experience where you share dressing room with such greats, so you get to learn a lot. And coming back to domestic cricket, I try to contribute as much more I can to the Maharashtra team. So, like, leading Maharashtra team in the T20 one days. We just missed the title. We lost in the finals last year, and this year almost we went to the semi-finals. So, like, personally, it's been like always to improve yourself. I think playing for the country is obviously the ultimate goal, and I think that if I can, like, consistently perform more better and keep improving myself, and I can be a match winner, I think I'll get that opportunity. So, like, every time it's always been improving on your fitness and improving on your whatever areas I have. Like, for example, first year I opened, then I played in the middle order. So that was also a different experience for me at RR, and I learned a lot at RR also. So it's always been a fun experience for me.
Being a part of a team that has had so many illustrious names over the years, how does it feel being a part of the Kolkata Knight Riders?
I think I'm very excited, and the day the auction happened, after the auction, I was very happy to be part of the KKR. I think as a child, you dream, you see that Brendan McCullum's knock, you see Shah Rukh Khan waving from the stands, coming to the ground, cheering. So, like, obviously, you've seen your heroes, and so, like, I'm very excited to be part of KKR. Unfortunately, due to this crisis, we'll be playing shortly. But I think that I was personally very excited to play at Eden Gardens, and also, like, Brendan McCullum. I have had a few chats with him, a few video calls we've had because since before the IPL. So like, I used to step out and hit those balls during the 2017 IPL. So like, people used to ask me ki, how are you charging? I said I've watched videos of McCullum also. He also does that, and like, he was the one who used to really take on those bowlers. So like, was really excited to be with everybody and like everybody in the team and the atmosphere and playing at Eden Gardens.
You spoke of spending 1 month at the KKR Academy. Was there any particular area that you were focusing on when you were at the academy?
Yes, it was the academy was all like your fitness, your yoga, and then some ground skills and batting. So like, we were like really focusing on developing what the role is. I think Dinesh Dada, Abhishek Dada was really coming, and whenever I used to bat, so they used to just come and tell me that what in the season, how I need to go forward, or what are they looking for me, and how I need to develop in this period in order to prepare myself better for the tournament. And I need to be ready for those situations. If I am batting in the middle order, then how I need to approach the game. So like, we were having scenarios like, for example, last 4 overs, and then they used to send me to bat. So now you're batting in these last 4 overs, let's say. So like, we were having a lot of clarity was there, that what they wanted, and everybody, there was every day there was a specific role, that what we wanted to do and how we wanted to prepare.
Let's talk about your jersey number. Is there a story there? We know that it's 52, but 5 plus 2 is 7, and you're from Ranchi. Is there something that you're not telling us?
It is a little bit. I think that 7 was a lucky number, and playing with MSD was also a great experience for me at RPS. I think a role model just coming in front of you and playing with you gives you like, it was like really exciting for me, and I was like a fanboy moment for me every time. And that 52 is a very lucky number for me. I think it's like very close to me, and now all my friends have also started like RT52 calling me, and saving my numbers. And so yes, it has been because of that 7 I wanted to take 52, and like, it's a very lucky number for me. So now it's going to be with me for a long time.
So between that 93 run knock and your love for MS Dhoni, are you looking at being a top order batsman or a finisher?
I think I can be both. I think actually, it's a different challenge. I think playing in the top order is a different scenario. You take on the bowlers. You look to score maximum runs of the power play. And playing in the middle order is different. I think you need to analyze the game and situation, and just take the game deep, I believe, because you may think that there's less time, but there's always time to finish the game. So like, but I really like that at RR I could finish some games because of my ankle injury. I couldn't play in the later half, but like, I was happy that I could play both the roles, even as an opener and middle order. I would have liked to do some roles in the middle order better, but like, I'm happy to play at both positions.
Fantastic. They say T20 cricket is a place for innovation. How much do you believe in reinventing yourself over and over and developing innovative cricket shots?
Yes, I think it is important because nowadays, people are reverse sweeping, people are playing scoop shots, and it is very important because if you have different game, I think if you play one scoop shot, then there's a complete different mindset of the bowler, because now he's thinking, so like, now he's thinking that whether to bowl a Yorker, the fields change. So I think it is very important because as the game has evolved, you need to keep learning new things, and you need to keep adding something to your game. I think I still believe that hitting straight, and like, that's my more you can say more, I'm more used to, I'm like more confident in that. But definitely, like, improving yourself on these shots is very important.
Now, if things go according to plan, you might end up opening with Shubman Gill, two youngsters at the top. How are you looking at an opportunity like that?
Really excited. I think Shubman is a great player and he's done well for KKR the last year. So and opening with him will be like really nice. We both would love to take on the bowlers and put on maximum runs on the board. It'll be really fun and challenging.
And it's your first season with the Kolkata Knight Riders. For all the fans that are watching to get to know you better, what would you like to say?
I think you guys are amazing. I've seen you supporting the KKR family, KKR like a family, and like this year also, whenever the IPL happens, you come out with the same freshness, same intent, same josh, and definitely we'll win the cup. Korbo Lorbo Jeetbo Re.